Welcome back to San Joaquin Audits. On this channel we take a look at police interaction videos. Today's video is a traffic stop and it comes to us from the channel Foamy Cobra. Watching this video as this cop writes him a ticket for failing to stop at a stop sign, yet this cop doesn't even have dash cam to prove his claim to be fact. Could it be that this officer is lying and preying on those that don't know their rights in hopes of extorting money from them through these tickets? Luckily, the person driving is aware of his constitutional rights and begins recording this interaction. Let's watch.
Is this about where your son wrecked his truck?
Yep. A little further up, you think? You got a supervisor, bro? Because I really don't believe that you were even up at the stop sign before you can even tell that I was going.
What year vehicle is this, man?
It's 2017. I asked to speak to a supervisor, bro.
I can give him a call real quick.
Yeah, I'd like to speak to him because I believe that you pulled in that neighborhood. This is what I really believe. You saw my car as you pulled into that neighborhood and I went to go get a cup of coffee. I returned, you're pulling out of the neighborhood as I'm pulling back onto the road. You see the same car. You decide you want to pull them over to see what the hell they doing. That's what I believe. Because you weren't even nowhere near the stop sign when I pulled up to the stop sign. You were coming out of the neighborhood, bro.
Just hang on one tight, man. I'll give him a call.
And this is what the police do, because they just feel like they want to do what they want to do, you know?
Yep. He's en route, man. He'll be here in a second.
All right, because I'm questioning what you got going on here.
I got you, man. You ran that stop sign is what happened.
I didn't run the stop sign. It's not what I did, because I stopped at the stop sign. You weren't even at the stop sign.
I was there, man.
No, you weren't, dude. I sat there and watched you. I got a witness right here in the car, too.
I've been sitting there all morning, man.
You ain't been sitting there all morning, dude. I seen you pull into the neighborhood when I was leaving earlier.
Alrighty, man.
You think somebody won't sit here and contest your stops? Y'all just want to pull people over? Because I understand why you want to pull people over. But you got the wrong one. You want to try to make my insurance go up because of your mistake. You got a dash cam on your car?
Sir?
Y'all got dash cams on y'all's car?
No, sir. We have body cams.
Okay, you didn't have your body cam on in your car, did you?
I do, sir.
In your car, you did?
Yes, sir. Anytime I'm doing traffic stops, I keep it on.
Okay, good. I'm a subpoena that. Faulty stops. You've been sitting at the stop sign. You wasn't even there at the stop sign. What's your name and badge number, man?
18, Purva County 18, Deputy McConnell.
McConnell. Okay. How long you been an officer, sir?
Since July of last year.
Okay. That's what I thought. You do understand? You're telling me that you were at the stop sign, and I was at the stop sign at the same time you were.
Yes, sir. I was at that stop sign. My corporal's pulling up right now, though, man. I don't have to speak to you.
All right.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna shut my car off. That way I can speak to him.
Step in. I'm going to make sure you don't have no weapons on you.
I don't have no weapons. You don't have the right to search me. You don't have any right to search me on a traffic stop. You don't have to do anything criminal.
It's Terry Chris, man. Just make sure you have no weapons.
No, I don't consent. What's going on, man? This gentleman, you know, he's doing his job. I'm not trying to create no problems for nobody, you know. Okay. Whatever. But I know that I just pulled out of the street, went to go get me a cup of coffee. This gentleman, I saw him pull into the Greenbrier. Okay. As I'm at the stop sign, he hasn't even pulled up to the stop sign yet. Okay. Says I ran the stop sign. Okay. He's nowhere near the stop sign at the time. If anybody wants to go down there and look and come down that road, you cannot see to the left because there is a tree line that's blocking from you seeing anybody stop there. So the only thing that you're going to see is the last minute person as they're leaving. You understand what I'm trying to say? And that's what you know, my point is. I don't believe that he was anywhere near a stop sign to see anything of that nature. You know, I'll gladly take my lick for anything that I do. You know, but I don't believe that that's right. And what y'all do is what y'all do. Doesn't make it legal sometimes. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I'm contesting it. I will contest it in court. I will subpoena your body cam to see where you were at on that traffic stop just now. And I guarantee you're going to lose, buddy. I guarantee you're going to lose. Because guess what? I know my rights. This ain't my first rodeo, dude. You know, I'm not trying to be, like I said, I'm not trying to be combative. But what's right is right. And we live in a time right now where y'all are looked down and frowned upon. And I don't want that for you. You understand that? I don't want that for you, bro. You're fresh into this. I want you doing your job right. I'm sure I want you doing your job right. But the simple fact of the matter is he was nowhere near the stop sign to be able to even address the situation that somebody ran a stop sign. I've never ran a stop sign in my life. You can look at my driver record. I don't do things to get my insurance hiked. You get what I'm trying to say? That's why I'm contesting this right now.
I fully understand.
You know?
So with what he's got, I mean, if he's wanting to write you a ticket as far as the incident that happened.
Yeah, I mean,
we're not a court side.
I know you're not, and we'll have to contest this in court. But I'm still going to make it a point to you, okay?
Yeah.
Because he works under your authority, right? Just like y'all really work under my authority, okay? And I want you to do your jobs right, you know? This guy right here is the one that pulled me over. This is the corporal. What's your name and badge number, sir?
Per over 27, I'm Corporal Ryan Collusion.
Your name and badge number, sir?
Road 40, front of Martin.
I'm sorry, can you speak up a little bit?
Road 40.
Okay. All right. Like I said, you can write me the ticket, whatever. I'm not going to sign it. So don't ask me to sign it. I know I don't.
Your court date's April 19th, though.
Okay. April 19th. I'll see you there. I'll contest it. And I have a lawyer, and I'm going to subpoena your body cam because I don't believe that you're right.
Well, we'll have a DVD. It'll be printed too as well, so it'll be probably on home as well. So we'll get it taken care of.
Okay.
Like I said, just go to the court date and we'll have the day there.
Yeah, and that's at where? Courthouse in Millard? Okay. All right.
We'll finish over to you and we'll stand by for you.
Okay. You do understand I do not have to consent?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Why do y'all ask those questions? You know that we don't have to consent to search.
Safety reasons, man.
It's not safety reasons, dude. It's not safety reasons. It's encroachment on somebody's constitutional right is exactly what it is. So.
Alright, so there you have it for this interaction. He will have court in 2 days on the 19th of April, so I'll probably give you an update in my YouTube shorts on how this plays out, so be on the lookout for that. Let me know your thoughts on this interaction below. Do you think that this cop was lying and writing a false ticket in hopes of hitting his quota? I say that because keep in mind this video was posted on March 29th. It's common knowledge that towards the end of the month, cops write more tickets in hopes of reaching their bonuses. So pair that with the fact that he doesn't even have a dash cam, it's entirely possible that this cop could be lying. I mean, if he is lying and he was caught in the act, all this cop really has to do is not show up for court, the ticket will get dismissed and both the cop and driver walk away exempt from punishment. It's a sad truth. And then the cop could probably win a few other false ticket charges against people who are unaware of their rights. This is why it's important to educate yourself on your constitutional rights and always record your police interactions. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on my future videos. Also, be sure to go subscribe to Foamy Cobra and let him know I sent you over. As always, thank you for watching San Joaquin Audits. I'll be back with another video soon.